All right, we're going to solve this inequality. It says 2p minus 11 is less than or equal to 11p plus 16. I'm going to take it step by step. The first thing I want to do is get my p's on both sides of the equation, and I want to keep p positive. So 11 is bigger than 2, so to start out with, I'm going to minus 2p. All right. I'm going to rewrite my equation, and I'm going to flip it around here. 11 minus 2 is 9, so now I have 9p plus the 16 is greater than or equal to that negative 11. All right, our next step is to get the 9p by itself. So we're going to subtract 16 from both sides. All right, I still have my 9p, and my 9p is still bigger than or equal to. Over here is, I'm just going to circle this because kids often make mistakes with this. We have a negative 11 minus 16. My signs are the same. Both numbers are negative. So we need to add them together to get 27, and it is a negative 27. Okay, remember the rule. When your signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. All right, my last step then, over here on the left-hand side, I have a multiplication problem. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So we're going to divide both sides by 9. And now we have p still being greater than or equal to 27 divided by 9 is 3, and a negative divided by a positive is a negative, so it is negative 3. All right, let's make our number line. We're going to put our negative 3 right there. Just to the right is going to be negative 2. Just to the left is going to be negative 4. And I might want to extend it just a little bit more. Now, what numbers do we care about? We care about the numbers that are bigger than negative 3. So I'm going to put a circle here, and I'm going to fill it in because it has to count that point negative 3. All right, and then we want everything bigger. So we are drawing our arrow to the right. Watch this video again as many times as it takes to learn how to solve a multi-step inequality.